Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Nice to be back here.
Oh, thank you. Opo kayo. Kamusta?
Before I begin, you, I just wanted to give you your, this is from us, and this is yours. It's a Harvard Kennedy School, that's a
Oh. Come
number ka na.
It can be 7-day
That's a good idea.
para pagpunta nila sa health center, kuha sila ng supply. They can replace. And they can bring it anywhere. Opo kayo, please. Please. Oh.
O siya, hindi na.
Good naman. Oh. Oh.
That has
Thank
a
you.
tote bag and a tote.
Thank you. Thank you.
So all of your,
I can take your picture.
no, ask the winner.
First, you keep.
Yes, so you will be allocated to this. So, if you don't come to us, we come to you.
Sorry Ang dami ko kasi inaayos
No,
din sa-
it's also the end of my term, so I wanted to give you the
Thank you.
So it says,
Who's gonna be the next president?
big question. We're all asking. Leaping will stay on the
Oh,
board.
Leaping.
No, he's not.
No,
He will be
I
on the
can-
board, so we don't know yet because we have an organization. But it says, in grateful recognition of your dedicated service to the government of the Republic of the Philippines. Okay, so I will. Before we would give medals, but they have branding guidelines now, so it's a pin. So thank you for all you do for the country.
Thank you.
Now, this is more because his parang Tagalog is
Matigas.
matigas.
Almiron. Almiron. Si Chief of Staff, meron din.
Yes, it's like two of you. So he said in front of your flag ceremony, I said, naku, dito na lang, please. I'm trying to do this. I can do this.
Sorry
No. I face this with the rest also for the men. So the lead the women because they're interested. You see, wait. I don't want this to fall. I told the people making the pins, we better do a pin that works well because I don't know what Sorry. Last.
Kaya pa? Sir?
Wait. There.
Yun.
Okay. Thank you.
Yun. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Don't fall.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, and
Mabubuti. Halika. Okay. Sir, sama ka sa akin.
Okay, take one first.
Yes.
Take one first. Yeah.
Sige.
Yeah.
Sir.
Sige.
Yeah. Can I give you
Okay.
my phone?
Alawa.
Tatlo na apat na.
I will send you.
Yes, thank you. But you know how we all like our own telephones.
Yes.
Okay? Now,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can I have one more with the
Yes. Okay.
on my phone lang? Okay lang, pero pwede din yung saan. Daddy wants his first.